So this is how you can add a colour gradient to text in Procreate. First, have your text on layer 1 and add a second layer. Choose your brush. I am using the hard brush, which is under airbrushing. You can choose your own colours, but I am using my Bohemian colour palette. Next, go through and add your colours all over the text. Go to Adjustments and select Gaussian Blur. Then slide your pen from left to right until you're happy with the blur. Go back and tap on layer 2 and select Clipping Mask. And here is the final result. What do you guys think?